Do you ever sit down to get something done and suddenly find yourself deep in a rabbit hole, scrolling, snacking, or stressing over a completely unrelated task? You're not alone. Let's talk about why your attention wanders and what you can actually do to take it back. Hi, I'm Dr. Mickey from the Health and Wellness team here at Ubie Health. As the AI face of Ubie's global network of over 1,200 medical providers and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. Today, we're talking about attention span and, more specifically, how to improve it. And no, this isn't about shaming yourself for checking your phone. It's about understanding how your brain works so you can work with it, not against it. Let's start with a quick story. A patient I worked with, I'll call her Lisa, came to us feeling frustrated. She was launching a small business from home, but couldn't seem to stay focused on any task for more than 10 minutes. She thought something was wrong with her. But when we talked, it turned out she was constantly shifting between work, chores, and catching up on texts or random ideas like remembering to buy dish soap or wondering if she fed the dog. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Your ability to focus isn't broken. It's just fatigued. Your attention span is your brain's ability to stay directed on one task. But life bombards us with both external triggers, like a pinging phone, and internal ones, like our thoughts, worries, and memories. Unlike animals, humans can be distracted not just by the world around us, but also by what's happening inside our minds. That spontaneous, "Did I email my doctor back?" thought? That can completely hijack your productivity. So, how do you take back control? Step 1. Make friends with your distractibility. Instead of fighting every random internal thought, capture it. During deep work sessions, keep a notepad next to you. When those intrusive reminders pop into your brain, write them down. That simple act frees up your mental bandwidth and lowers anxiety because you know you won't forget. Lisa started doing this, and within a week she noticed she wasn't mentally juggling 10 things anymore. Just one at a time. Next, and this is crucial, train your ability to pause. This skill is called behavioral inhibition. It's your ability to notice a distraction without acting on it. Let's say you're working and you suddenly think, "I should check the weather for this weekend." That's fine, but pause. You don't have to act on that thought right now. Recognize it. Let it go. Come back to the task. It's harder than it sounds, but it's 100% trainable. One of the best ways to strengthen this muscle? Mindfulness. Just 5 minutes of daily mindfulness practice, like simply focusing on your breath, can retrain your brain. Every time your mind wanders and you gently bring it back to the breath, you're reinforcing the exact skill you need in real life. Over time, this isn't just theory. It leads to real, measurable changes in your ability to focus. This isn't just ancient wisdom. It's backed by neuroscience and clinically studied outcomes. Another practical strategy? Make your environment work for you. Physical clutter and noise signal your brain that it's time to pay attention to something else. Try noise-canceling headphones or a clear workspace. These simple shifts reduce external distractions and buy you more focus time. And here's a bonus tip from the Ubie playbook. Train your behavioral inhibition outside of work. Didn't want to exercise today, but did anyway? That's you building your focus muscle. Chose a healthy snack over chips? Same thing. Every time you delay gratification or resist impulse, you're strengthening your attention span. So whether you're a student, a parent, or a stay-at-home CEO like Lisa, knowing how your brain's attention system works and how to support it can be a total game changer. Worried about your own health? Start by checking in with the Ubie Symptom Checker at ubiehealth.com. It's medical grade, doctor-approved AI is like having a full on-call healthcare team right in your pocket. Always 100% free. And don't forget to like and follow for more doctor-approved info you can trust from Ubie Health.